Good morning, dear students. This is Shafi from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we solved some problems related to the expansion using the binomial theorem. In this class, we are going to solve some other type of problems which is related to binomial expansion. So here we have the question, find a plus b whole power 4 minus of a minus b whole power 4, evaluate root 3 plus root 2 whole power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 whole power 4. Okay, let us solve the problem. Let us move on to the problem. First, we need to find a plus b whole power 4 minus of a minus b whole power 4. Later, we will think about this. In this question, we have two questions. First question is, we have to find the value of a plus b whole power 4 minus of a minus b whole power 4. Later, we will find by using the result of this, we are going to find root 3 plus root 2 whole power 4 minus of root 3 minus root 2 whole power 4. Okay. Now let us move on to the problem. A plus b whole power 4, a plus b whole power 4 minus of a minus b whole power 4, which is equals to, that is equals to, yes, first let us evaluate, let us expand a plus b whole power 4 by using the binomial expansion. Minus of one more expansion we have, a minus b whole power 4. First let us expand a plus b whole power 4. Okay. First let us expand a plus b whole power 4. We know that the quantity of the first term is decreases, the quantity of the second term is increases. A power 4, a power 4 plus a cube plus a square plus a power 1 plus a power 0. Okay. Next, the quantity of the second term b increases. B power 0, b power 1, b square, b cube, b power 4, right? Then what about the coefficients, binomial coefficients? Here in place of n we have 4, so that binomial coefficients will be 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. Okay, it is the expansion, of a plus b whole power 4. It is the expansion of a plus b whole power 4. Next, one more expansion we have, that is minus of a minus b whole power 4. How to expand this a minus b whole power 4? It is the expansion very similar to the a plus b whole power 4, but the signs are different. If we expand a minus b whole power 4, same terms we will get, but signs, plus minus will get changes, right? Now already we have expanded a plus b whole power 4. It is the expansion of a plus b whole power 4. If we are going to expand a minus b whole power 4, then we will get the same terms, but signs will changes. Okay, let us write 4c0, so that I am going to copy this step, 4c0 a power 4, 4 c0 a power 4 into b power 0. In this we have minus, so that 1 plus then minus 4c1 a cube b power 1. Next minus, then it will be plus 4c2 a square b square, plus then minus 4c3 a power 1 b cube, minus then plus 4c4 a power 0 b power 4. Okay, now that is equals to, if you observe here we have minus. If we multiply this minus inside these brackets, if we apply this minus inside these brackets, then signs again will get changes. How? Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. 4c0 a power 4, that you just keep it as it is. 4c0 a power 4 b power 0, that value is 1 only, plus 4c1 a cube b power 1 a cube into b, plus 4c2 a square b square, plus 4c3 a power 1 a into b cube, plus 4c4 a power 0 is 1 only, b power 4. Okay, here if we come to this one, if we multiply this minus inside these brackets, then minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus nothing will be there, means there will be a plus only. Minus into plus is minus 4c0 a power 4 b power 0 is 1 only, minus into minus is plus 4c1 a cube into b. Next plus will become minus 4c2 a square b square, 4c2 a square b square. Next minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus 4c3 a power 1 is a into b cube, a into b cube. Next minus into plus is minus 4c4 a power 0 is 1 b power 4. See the terms, which terms will get cancelled. 4c0 a power 4 will get cancelled. 4c2 a square b square, 4c2 a square b square will get cancelled, plus minus. Next 4c4 b power 4 will get cancelled. Next, if you observe here we have 4c1 a cube b. Next 4c3 a b cube we have, so that if we add then we will get 2. If we add then we will get 2, or else you can simplify. 4c1 value is 4 a cube b, 4c1 is 4 a cube b. Next plus 4c3 value is 4 a b cube, 4c3 value is 4 a b cube. Next plus 4c1 is what? 4 a cube b plus 4c3 value is 4 a b cube. Okay, next that is equals to 4 a cube b is what? 8 a cube b plus. Next 4 a b cube is what? 8 a b cube. Okay, hence it is the expansion. If you want to simplify further, you can simplify like that is also equals to, if you want to stop here itself you can stop. If you want to stop here itself you can stop. If you want to simplify further you can simplify. Based on this result we have to simplify one more question. Based on this result we have to simplify this one, so that I am just simplifying. so that I'm simplifying in the simplest form. If we simplify this further, we will find very easy for the next sub question. If we take 8a, b is outside, then what we will get? If we take 8ab is outside, 8ab is common. In this question, in this term, 8ab is common, remaining will be a square plus. In this 8ab is common, then the remaining will be b square. 8ab into a square, b square. Hence it is what? A plus b whole power 4 minus of a minus b whole power 4 equals to 8ab a square plus b square. It is the first question. Next, by using this result, we are going to find this question. We are going to find this question. How to find this? No need to expand. No need to expand again. Just we will substitute in place of a with root 3, in place of b with root 2. Root 3 plus root 4, root 3 plus root 2 whole power 4 minus of root 3 minus root 2 whole power 4, that is equals to. If you observe, in place of a we have root 3, in place of b we have root 2. So in place of a we have root 3, in place of b we have root 2. Substitute these a and b in this result. Finally we will get the value 8ab into a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Okay, 8 ab a square plus b square. Okay, now in place of a what we have? Root 3 and root 2. So root 3 root 2 root 3 root 2, that's it. So square root will get cancelled. Then the remaining things will be what? That is equals to 8 into root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Root 6 into next 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. That is equals to 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 5 into 8 is 40. 40 into root 6. Hence it is the value. Hence it is the required value. Are you understand? Are you clear? Yes. Now you can take a screenshot of this problem, or you may pause the video, then you can note down in your notebook. Kindly do not make any kind of mistakes. Okay, finish. Now we will have one more question. That question will be homework for you. So it is the question homework for you. Find x plus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus 1 whole power 6. Then evaluate root 2 plus 1 whole power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole power 6. It is the question homework for you. It is the problem very similar to the previous one. You just evaluate this result by using the binomial expansion. You just find the result of this by using the binomial expansion. Later you can substitute in place of x root 2. In that result you can substitute in place of x with root 2. Then you can simplify. Finally we will get the required answer or the required solution. Now let us move on to the next type of questions. So next we have the next type of questions. Using binomial theorem, evaluate each of the following. So first question we have 102 whole power 5. Remember, we have to find 102 whole power 5 by using the binomial theorem. not by writing 102 into 102 into 102 5 times. We have to find 102 whole power 5 by using the binomial theorem, not by writing multiples of 5, multiples of 102 5 times. Okay. How to find 102 whole power 5 by using the binomial theorem? So 102 is also can be written as 100 plus 2 whole power 5, isn't it? 102 is also can be written as 100 plus 2 whole power 5. Yes, of course you can write 102. You can split 102 in the form of 99 plus 3 also, 98 plus 4, 90 plus 12. But if there is a 100, if there is a round figure 100 like that, we will find very easy for the simplification part. Suppose if you think, suppose you just imagine we have 99 whole power 5. How you are going to find 99 whole power 5? By using calci? No. It will be more difficult to find 99 whole power 5. Suppose if we have 100 whole power 5. How you are going to simplify 100 whole power 5? It is very simple. 100 whole power 5 we can simplify very easily. Instead of 100, suppose if we have 97, 96, 95, 90, 92, 91, you just imagine those numbers in your mind. Is it easy to simplify 99 whole power 5? Is it easy to simplify 92 whole power 5? No, it is very difficult. Compared to 100 whole power 5, 99 whole power 5 is very difficult. So that I am taking 100. That is equals to 102 can also be written as 100 plus 2 whole power 5. Now you can apply binomial theorem. How you are going to apply binomial theorem? We know that the quantity of the first term is decreases, the quantity of the second term is increases. The quantity of the first term is decreases, the quantity of the second term is increases. 100 whole power 5. Here we have the sign plus. Here we have the sign plus. Plus next 100 whole power 5. Kindly keep 100 in between the brackets. Kindly keep 100 in between the brackets. Plus 100 whole cube. 100 whole cube. Next plus 100 whole square plus 100 whole power 1 plus 100 whole power 0. The quantity of the first term is decreases. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Isn't it? Next, the quantity of the second term. Second term is 2. The quantity of the second term is increases. That's what? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Right? So it is the expansion. These things already you learn in the previous class also. Then what about the binomial coefficients? In place of n we have 5, so that the binomial coefficients will be 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5. Okay, it is the expansion. Now you can simplify. That is equals to the value of 5c0 is what? The value of 5c0 is what? 1 into 100 whole power 5. You can keep it 100 whole power 5. Later we will simplify. Into 2 power 0 is 1. Remember, so these are the, it is a multiplication symbol, not a decimal. 1.100 whole power 5.1. So it is a multiplication symbol. Plus next 5c1 is what? 5c1, the value of 5c1 is 5 into 100 whole power 4, 100 whole power 4 into 2 into 2 plus next 5c2. How to simplify 5c2? 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1 into 100 whole cube, 100 whole cube into 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4 plus we need space, so that this term I am writing in the next line. 5c3. How to simplify 5c3? 5c3 is also can be written as 5c2. 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 5c3 is also can be written as 5c2. 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, 100 whole square into 100 whole square into 2 cube plus next 5c4. The value of 5c4 is 5 into 100 whole power 1 is 100 into 2 power 4 plus next 5c5. that value is 1 into 100 whole power 0 is 1 only. 100 whole power 0 is 1, 9 power 0 is 1, 1000 whole power 0 is 1. By using the laws of exponents, 2 power 5, you just keep it as it is. Understand? That is equals to 100 whole power 5. How to find 100 whole power 5? You just write 1, 100 whole power 5. Write 2 zeros 5 times. How to find 100 whole power 5? Write 2 zeros 5 times. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 times. Okay? Or you can write 2 zeros 5 times. 2 zeros 5 times. That means 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or else you can use the calci. Plus 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10. Next, how to find 100 whole power 4? Write 2 zeros 4 times. Write 2 zeros 4 times. That means 8 times you should write. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5 into 2 is 10. 10. Next, 100 whole power 5. How to simplify? How to find 100 whole power 4? Write 2 zeros 4 times. Then 8 zeros we have to write. Next, plus. Here, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Next, 5 twos are 10. 10 into 4 is 40. 5 twos are 10. 10 into 4 is 40. Okay, 40. Next, how to find 100 whole cube? 100 whole cube. Write 2 zeros 3 times. Write 2 zeros 3 times. That means write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. Including one more 0, 7 zeros. Write 2 zeros 6 times. Sorry, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next, plus. Here also the terms will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 5 twos are 10. 2 cube is what? 2 cube is 8. 8 into 10 is 80. 8 into 10 is 80. 100 whole square. 100 whole square. Write 2 zeros 2 times. Write 2 zeros 2 times. That means write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Including one more 0. 5 zeros will come. Next, plus. 2 power 4 is what? 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 5 is 80. 80. Next, 80 into 100 is 8000. 8000 plus 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is what? 32. 2 power 5 is what? 32. Now you just add these terms. Finally you just add these numbers. Finally we will get 11040808032. Okay, hence it is the expansion of 102 whole power 5 by using the binomial theorem. Are you understand? Now you can take a screenshot or pause the video. You may note down in your notebook. Based on this question, we will have one more question. That question will be homework for you. Now the second question, that question will be homework for you. 103 whole power 4. Next, third question, 101 whole power 4. Okay, so these are the questions homework for you. These are the two questions homework for you. How you are going to split this 103? 100 plus 3 whole power 4. Similarly 101 you can split it as 100 plus 1 whole power 4. Okay dear students, it is the class for today. In the next class we will continue with the same type of questions. Thank you.